Hello vegan adventurers, so today we are flying back to Serbia and it's gonna be more of an educational video about environmental impact of animal agriculture. I'm gonna present some facts from Cowspiracy website with references that you can check out yourself as we fly above Austria, Hungary and Serbia. So here we're leaving Nitra, which is pretty much the beginning of the agricultural land of Slovakia. Pretty much south of Nitra there is no forests, only fields. On average, 1 acre of land of any level of fertility will be able to produce 15 to 18 times more protein from plant-based sources than from animal products. Additionally, using any agricultural database regionally, nationally or internationally, one can calculate that on average between 10 times and 100 times more plant foods, vegetables, fruits, grains, nuts on 1 acre of land than from animal products raised on that same acre of land, regardless of the level of fertility of that particular acre of land, presuming it is the same acre used for either product, animal or plant-based. The USDA says that agriculture is responsible for 80 to 90% of US water consumption, and growing the feed crops for livestock consumes 56% of that water, bringing the total water consumption of the livestock industry to 34 trillion gallons. Each day, a person who eats a vegan diet saves 1,100 gallons of water, 45 pounds of grain, 30 square feet of forested land, 20 pounds of CO2 equivalent, and 1 animal's life. A person who follows a vegan diet produces the equivalent of 50% less carbon dioxide, uses 1/11th oil, 1/13th water, and 1/18th land compared to a meat lover for their food. Throughout the world, humans drink 5.2 billion gallons of water and eat 21 billion pounds of food each day. Worldwide, cows drink 45 billion gallons of water and eat 135 billion pounds of food each day. Worldwide, at least 50% of grains is fed to livestock. We're currently growing enough food to feed 10 billion people. And 1,000 years ago, 99% of biomass or zoomass was wild animals. Today, humans and the animals that we raise as food make up 98% of zoomass. Livestock is responsible for 65% of all human-related emissions of nitrous oxide, a greenhouse gas with 936 times the global warming potential of carbon dioxide and which stays in the atmosphere for 150 years. Methane has a global warming potential 86 times that of CO2 on a 20-year time frame. Livestock and their byproducts account for at least 32,000 million tons of carbon dioxide per year, or 51% of all worldwide greenhouse gas emissions. 1/3 of the planet is desertified, with livestock as the leading driver. The leading cause of rainforest destruction are livestock and feed crops. 26 million rainforest acres have been cleared for palm oil production. 136 million rainforest acres cleared for animal agriculture. 1.5 acres can produce 37,000 pounds of plant-based food, but only 375 pounds of beef. Livestock covers 45% of all the land and is the leading cause of species extinction, habitat destruction, ocean dead zones, and water pollution. Okay, we are back in Serbia and I hope you learned some new information from this video. It's very alarming the impact the animal agriculture has on environment, especially the beef. Let me know if you have any questions or counter arguments against these claims. And for now, stay healthy and stay adventurous.